How long it takes to move a 457B to a Gold IRA and why timing matters. Transferring a 457B to a Gold IRA is a strategic step towards strengthening long-term retirement security. The process is manageable, but timing is crucial. Understanding the expected duration and the factors that affect it helps ensure a smooth and efficient transition. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. How long the process usually takes. 1. Open a self-directed Gold IRA, 1 to 3 days. Setting up the account is typically fast when all documents are properly submitted. 2. Rollover approval from the 457B plan, 3 to 7 days. Your plan administrator must verify and approve the transfer request, which can vary based on internal procedures. 3. Funds transferred to the Gold IRA custodian, 5 to 10 days. Direct rollovers are generally quicker and avoid withholding issues. Indirect rollovers may add extra steps. 4. Purchase of physical gold, 2 to 5 days. After funds arrive, the custodian coordinates the purchase and secure storage of IRS-approved gold. 5. Total estimated time, around 2 to 4 weeks. Key factors that influence timing. 1. Plan administrator efficiency. Government-managed 457B plans may process requests more slowly due to administrative layers. 2. Transfer method. Direct rollovers are faster and reduce risk, while indirect rollovers can prolong the process. 3. Custodian experience. A knowledgeable Gold IRA custodian accelerates paperwork, communication, and fund settlement. 4. Compliance and verification. Security checks, identity verification, and IRS requirements can add short but necessary delays. Why timing matters. Delays could cause you to miss favorable gold market conditions. Market shifts may impact the value of your existing 457B assets. Indirect rollovers must be completed within 60 days to avoid taxes and penalties. Efficient timing strengthens diversification and protects long-term savings. A well-planned 457B to Gold IRA transfer ensures your retirement funds stay protected and strategically allocated. Understanding the timeline and the elements that influence it allows you to manage the rollover with confidence and avoid unnecessary setbacks. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.